I'm going to talk about germination of a gram seed. This is a gram seed. This is soaked, and then after a few days it germinates, and that's how it develops. The shoots turn into stem and leaves, and they are the roots which go down. Okay. Well, this is a gram seed. Okay, look at that. These are soaked. Once they are soaked, they swell up. And this is the gram, the seed that has germinated. Look at this. This is how. So a seed grows through a process called germination, which starts when a dormant embryo inside the seed receives the right conditions, that is water, oxygen, a suitable temperature. The seed absorbs water, causing the seed coat to swell and split, allowing the root to emerge. Look at the root, how it's emerged. The roots have emerged. Can you see that? The roots have emerged. Okay? Once it's germinated. So once the root, they allow the root to emerge and anchor into the soil. So this goes into the soil. And then what happens is a shoot. This is a shoot that is coming out. Can you see that? A shoot grows upwards to reach the light. So it's growing upwards to reach the light. So this is the shoot. So it's growing upwards to reach the light. And this develops into a stem. As you can see, this is a stem. Developing into stem and leaves. These are the leaves. And what do? The leaves? Which begin to make food through photosynthesis, allowing the seed to become a young plant, bearing flowers and seeds and fruit, etc. So once again, a seed grows through a process called germination, which starts when the dormant embryo, I'm going to talk later about the embryo in the next video, inside the seed. There's an embryo inside the seed with all its properties of the plant. And when it receives the right conditions, say water, oxygen, suitable temperature, so these are needed, and then the seed absorbs this water, causing the seed coat to swell, and then it splits, allowing the root to emerge. The root emerges, and then that anchors itself into the soil, and then you see the shoot grows upwards to reach the light, developing into stem and leaves, which begin to make food through the process of photosynthesis, allowing the seed to become a young plant. Isn't it what a great story it is about how the seed grows? Just imagine the seed, how it is now. It takes on a life. It is lively. When you're eating it or when you're using it, one doesn't even imagine that that's an embryo, a dormant embryo in each seed. And this is how the plant germinates, becomes a plant.